My name is Minesh Patel. Since like I am like 52 years old, and like I have some problem in my snoring in the night time, and then I go like better right now, feeling like better because I heard I can't speak better. I can't speak bad, not better, but right now I feeling better. That,
So Manish Patel, 52 years old, came to 12 Small East Haven, Connecticut. Chief complaint was like you had a sleep apnea, right?
yes.
Snoring. You snore every
Snoring,
night.
yeah,
Your wife
every
says you
night.
snore at night.
Yeah.
So he came here. I did a laser tightening with the Solea Sleep. It takes like 5 minutes. It's 2 sessions, right?
Yes.
So you feel like 5 to 7 minutes, and you feel like you can breathe in better.
Better,
right?
yeah.
You
Even I
feel like
speak,
it is the airway is more open.
even
and
I
you can
speak better
You can
right
speak
now.
better, right?
Yes.
So the second session we'll be doing in 3 weeks.
Okay. Okay.
Then you will see a big difference.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much.